Okay, guys, I would be speaking about the installation of Docker on desktop on a Windows system. So, before that, I would like to discuss some requirements that are there in order to have a successful Docker installation on your system. As you can see, if you have Windows Home Edition, then there is a separate path to install Docker. While if you have Professional or Enterprise Edition for Windows 10 or above Windows 7 or higher version 64-bit operating system if you are having, then you are good to go with the Docker desktop installation. Now how this is different, because there is a requirement of Hyper-V manager that comes by default with Windows Professional and Enterprise Edition, but it is not there in Home Edition. So along with virtualization being enabled from BIOS, we need to have Hyper-V Manager. So since it is present in Professional and Enterprise Edition, so we can definitely follow the link as you can see over here given to install Docker Desktop. So it's a window installer that you can download from the website. And then for Windows Home Edition, we would be installing Docker Toolbox, which is nothing but a collection of uh, tools like Oracle VM VirtualBox. Then we will have Docker CLI client for running Docker engine, right, to create images and containers. Then we'll have Docker machine so that you can run Docker engine commands from Windows Terminal. Docker Compose, right, and Kinematic. That is the Docker GUI you will get. And again, Docker Quickstart shell pre-configured for a Docker command line environment. So these are the things that you will get in a Docker toolbox environment. So let's go back to where we were earlier. I'll be exiting this screen and instead I will a couple of points before that. This is the system that I am having, Windows 10 Home, and it is running with 16 GB RAM, as you can see in the system information. And then, you know, in the task manager, you need to go to performance tab to check whether the virtualization is enabled or not. If it is not enabled, go to BIOS setup and enable it. Okay, so now coming to the setup. So this is the Docker toolbox exe file that I downloaded. Um, so I'll try to run it. I'll click on next and it will ask okay, so these are the features that are there in full installation. So I'll click on next and create a desktop, install virtual box. um, okay, I'll go with the selected options. So let's wait while it finishes up. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.